National President ke National People's Party NPP ubadeiru Menteri Rangba kejela Conrad ke sangma haka santarik nailar ula Pdiang sngewbha ya ke jingwan penyaso jong MLA ke Kongres na Mylliem uba Roni Vilingdo sya ke seng NPP bat ong ba ke jing pynleit jingmut jong ke parti ke long haka san perthai ka ba pensyong nong rem halor ke roi ke par. Haba keren ha kejing yalang hapo ke yingsa Menteri Rangba ka jela ha Auckland Shillong Conrad ula banjur ya kejing don kam jong kejing ya terlibat kejing IT lun da ka baong omdon nong shun bane bat omdon paralok bane ha kesan perthai ke ke bakong santam kelong kejing IT lun na ke bentak kipat ba bat ke jela. Conrad ula Pdiang sngewbha ya uba Roni kumju ya kinong kitkam bat kinong kershan da ka bakubur ru bakila syem ya karai ka syem jing ban penyaso sya ke NPP. Ula airu ke jing ya ro ya uba Hamlet son ling ubadei working president ke NPP bat MLA barim ke Mylliem ubala syem ya ke benta ke bakongsan ha ke baidei bat kini ke jingwan penyaso jong uba Roni. Ula ya ro ya uba Hamlet ubala bu Ahmad na ke benta ke jingbha bat ke jing permentoy jong kipat ba bat ke seng. Conrad ula kula ru ikipat ba ke Mylliem constituency ba ke NPP country kham shitom shu ban kentiu ya kathan bat ban pli ya kilat kamai kaji ya ki samla bat ki long kemi kathan. Nalor kata ula kamru ba ke NPP ke ditang maka ke bala ban syanya ban ra ya ke jela syakman da ke ba kedau ya ke jinglong jongka ha ke roi ke par bat ke jing sensyar ke bha. Ha kini ke jing lang la ya don lang ru presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ubadei ru usumbut Menteri Rangba ke jela uba Preston Tensong ulampang ke ying dorbar Thomas sangma ki Menteri Sorkar ki MLA barim ke Mylliem ba Hamlet son ling State Treasurer ke NPP ba Daniel Tangkiu nalor ki MDC ke NPP bat kiwe. Da kini ke jingwan penyaso jong uba Roni ka NPP menta kaladon hadu lai ngut ki MLA hapo ke ying dorbar thau ain ke jela.
So I do hope there may be challenges. Let's not, be shy about it. There may be challenges. We'll have to work together. We'll have to compromise. We'll have to sacrifice. But I'm sure with the kind of maturity that I've seen in all the leaders that we have worked with, I'm sure that we will overcome all these challenges. Friends, as a party, we have seen that the National People's Party has been growing from strength to strength. Yes, we have our challenges. There is nothing in life without challenges. But as a party, we have always embraced these challenges with a positive mindset. I tell you, we don't allow negativity to affect us. Never. There is so much of negativity around that sometimes you would expect that everybody would just give up in one way and just allow this negativity to become more toxic. And I keep telling our party leaders, we have to be different. We cannot be like everybody else. We have to take things in a positive manner. We have a huge responsibility on our shoulders. I keep telling people in the last 7 years, with the opportunity that God has given us, the people have given us to lead our state into a better future for our people and for our future generation. We have faced numerous challenges, but never would you have seen Preston Tensong or any of our MLAs or any of our leaders in any way being depressed or looking down or being negative. Yes, we may say a few things in public speech, which is natural, but we never allow the negativity to come into us. And that is what has defined the mindset with which the National People's Party is moving forward. And that's the reason why today, all of you and different leaders are seeing that difference in the way our party functions, in the way our party is today governing our state. We are a party that believes in development-based politics. Our different programs, policies, different mission mode programs, different infrastructure works, which many people in the past would have thought is not possible in Meghalaya, have been made possible because of the positive mindset, the commitment towards our people, and our relentless hard work that we have done in this past many years.
I put a spoke in the wheels, but I think everything went smoothly because of our $100. And of course, we have some Honorable Minister, Kong Amperin, Dr. Amperin Lingdo. We've known her father so well that we're also like part of the family, especially my late brother was like a son to her father, late P.G. Marbanyang. I truly feel honored and grateful and humble to be embraced with such affection and respect. I am filled with happiness to be part of this team. But more importantly, I wish to take a moment to speak from the heart. While this event is a joyous occasion, it is also a moment of deep reflection for me. There are a few things I feel compelled to share honestly and sincerely. Yes, it's official. I've resigned from the Indian National Congress and I have joined the National People's Party, and all the formalities has been completed now. With this move, I also seek to secure the necessary support for the various developmental initiatives, schemes I have initiated through my proposals, initiatives that I believe are essential for the growth and welfare of my constituency and of the state as a whole. The step was not taken for personal or political convenience, but to ensure that the work we have started reaches its intended goals, and the voices and needs of Mylliem are translated into meaningful action. I am confident in this regard that the dreams we have envisioned together will be cherished and realized. I also understand that every big decision takes time to show results. Like good plans, needs time to grow. Joining the ruling party is a step that allows those plans to develop in the right environment so they can bring real and lasting change for the people.